Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up OmniRoute with OpenCode, a 100% free AI coding setup that gives you access to 290 plus AI models without spending a single rupee. Yes, you heard it right, without spending a single rupee. So by the end of this video, you will see it working live on my screen. So watch the video till end. So guys, OmniRoute is a free open source AI gateway that runs on your own computer. It sits between your coding agent like OpenCode and 290 plus AI providers. Out of those, 90 plus provider have completely free tier. So no credit card, no trial, nothing. You can use all this provider completely free. So let's begin. So guys, before moving further, you should install Node.js on your system. So if you don't have, I have created separate video for that. The link is in description box. You can check out and install it. So guys, here first of all, I'm just going to browser, and here I'm showing you OmniRoute, and here you can see we have OmniRoute, where it is showing that 290 plus models are there on this, and this is completely free. So all this you can see on here OmniRoute, and we have a button GitHub. I'm taking you to GitHub, and you can see all the details are there. Let me scroll down, and here we have quick start options. This is the code which we need to paste on command prompt for installing OmniRoute. So I'm quickly copying this code, and I'm opening my command prompt, and here I'm pasting this. Okay, this is done. You can see npm I'm using, hence I told you that you install Node.js first. Now guys, next I will write OmniRoute command, and here you can see it's showing me error because previously it has shown me one message that I need to upgrade, but I did not upgrade it, hence it's not starting OmniRoute. So what I'll do, I'll run that command, I'll upgrade it, and now I'm writing OmniRoute again. And here you can see in my browser a OmniRoute has been started, and here we need to enter password. The password has been provided over here. You need to simply enter this password. So once this login is done, you can see the screen where we are having providers, different types of provider, free provider, open access provider, all providers are available. At left side, you can see it's showing provider, API key, and so many further details we are having, right? To connect with AI provider, we need to go to provider tab and then click on the filter and select this free tier, and here you can see it's showing 101 providers where we have Haiku, Claude Sonnet, and so many other provider, Quen, DeepSeek, all providers are available. So now for this video, I'm going to connect to open code provider first. So it need no authentication at all, just one click. So it comes under no authentication. So in search, I'm simply typing open code here, and you can see open code free is available. I'll click on it, and we will add account. Okay. So for this, I need open code. So first of all, I will simply download open code. So you can go to browser and simply search open code and download open code. Open code has been downloaded. Now we will connect. So here guys, we can go to this menu, and here under file settings, we have a provider option. And right now you can see no connected provider it is showing me. Correct? So we will be adding our provider. By default, it is showing some popular provider. I'm not going to take this popular provider. I'm going to take custom provider. So just scroll down, and we have option show more providers, and here you simply type custom. Okay, so custom provider you have to type. Now you click on this, and it will take you to this page, and here it is asking me details. So provider name you can give in small OmniRoute, and then display name, I'm giving OmniRoute in capital. And now we need to give base URL. So for base, now we need to give base URL. So for this base URL, we have to again go to OmniRoute website. On website left side, you can see under the tab endpoints, we have this URL available. Simply copy this URL and paste it. Okay. So here I'm going again back to open code, and I'm simply pasting this URL. Now the next thing we have as model. So what model you want? So we have different models available like DeepSeek, Minimax. So what models you want? You need to give that. Before that, we need API key. So just go back again to OmniRoute and click on this API key tab and give key name. I'm giving key name as test, and just scroll down and click on create key and simply copy this key, and here you can click on done button and come back again to your open code and paste API key. Okay, so before model, you create your API key and paste it. Now we need to search for models. So many models are available. Go back again to OmniRoute and you can find out different models which are there, and whatever models you want to use, you can use it. So here I'm just clicking on done button and I'm going again to this providers, and here again I'm going to this provider and searching open code, and no auth provider, open code free we have. Under that, now these are the available models which you can use in open code. So whatever you want, you can use it. So I'm first taking big pickle. I'm simply copying this model name and going back to this open code and pasting it. I would like to add few more models. So here I have Minimax model. I'm going to paste that, and a DeepSeek model. So few more models you can add. So I've just added all the model, and here I'm clicking on submit button. That's all guys. DeepSeek model, others model I have added. You can try other model. Now here I'm going to chat section and I'm clicking on this model, and you can see along with other models, the model which are there, no auth model, that are also visible, which I have added, that is Big Pickle and DeepSeek and Minimax model. Now I will select Big Pickle model, and here I'm just writing hi message. It's replying, that means it's working. Same way I'll select some other model which I have added and I'm writing hello, it's replying. So guys, this request just went from OpenCode through OmniRoute on my machine to my free tier models, and I have spent 0 rupees. Guys, you cannot just chat, you can build it also. So you can type whatever task you want, you can generate Python code and other thing also. Sometimes guys, you may get an error that rate limit exceed or provider unavailable. Don't panic, this is normal. It just means that free provider has hit its daily limit. So here what you have to do, go back to OmniRouter dashboard, go to provider and connect another free provider. Okay, so this way you can use. So guys, if my video has really helped you, don't forget to hit on like button. If you have any query, you can put in comment box, I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if my videos are really helping you, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss updates from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.